Good morning. Okay, I am so late getting this video recorded. It is almost 10 a.m. That's how my day's been, but I've been up since 6 o'clock doing and ready for the day and all that. So, let me see if I can get my hand. There we go. To hold still. Today, actually, it's Friday, so it's a super fun day. So first thing this morning, I've already done this, but it's still on my list. So for my website, graphic design business, I had a consult with a customer or client, and anyhow, I had a consult, and now I got to go do a couple of things to secure their domain and hosting, and for set things up for next week. And so that's exciting, but most of that's already done. Today I'm going down to St. George for a girls trip with one of my good friends. So yay! I love having me some girl time and a shopping trip and fun stuff. It's just nice to not have kids and not have anybody else's schedules or agendas. And we're gonna go to a furniture store because I love furniture. So I could have just a huge house full of furniture because I love furniture. And then I gotta do some video edits. Yesterday, I got the video edited from the day before, but it wasn't scheduled, and I gotta upload it to YouTube. I gotta go schedule it and then do yesterday's video. So yesterday was the day before that it got uploaded but not scheduled. Anyhow, and then so now I gotta go not edit, but combine and, fine tune. You're like, what editing? I never see editing on your videos. I don't take out much, obviously, because, anyhow, it's genuine. This is real. So anyhow, I got to go put all that together and get it scheduled for next week. I'm so excited. I hope these videos are super shaky. I hope these videos are helpful and useful and of benefit to anybody. Otherwise, I'll just stop doing them and, one less thing for me to do. I don't have anything in the freeze dryer, do I? I'm gonna go check. It's been such a crazy morning already, but it's crazy productive, but I've literally been like working on my desk. Okay, good. Okay, I had to check the freeze dryer because I was trying to remember if I had anything in it or not. I know I need to start freezing stuff to go in the freeze dryer. Yeah, I think we're good. We got this weekend, I'm gonna have to start making, so this was the peach mango jam that we made when my friends were here. I just created this recipe about 8 years ago. It's the best jam, it's so good. And then we also made syrup. Syrup is super easy if you have ever canned or thought about canning. Especially with peaches, anything that you're gonna have like skins, because you peel the peaches, or same for apples or plums, anything like that you're gonna have the skins that normally you would just throw in the trash. So easy. All you do is throw the skins into your crock pot, fill it with water, and let it cook for like a day, just on low. And then after a day or so, you strain it, and you can use cheesecloth. It just depends. This time I just used my strainer because I couldn't find cheesecloth. I'm sure I have some, I just couldn't find it. But actually, no, I might have used the last of it. Anyhow, I didn't have any, so I just used my regular strainer. So I didn't get as much juice out of it as I could have with cheesecloth. Cheesecloth, you can really wring it out and get a lot of the juice out. And then you measure how much juice you have, and you double that with sugar. You had twice as much sugar. That's what syrup is, a lot of sugar. You add twice as much sugar. I mean, if you want a light syrup, you can add maybe the same amount as sugar instead of twice. And then you just cook it until the sugar's dissolved, and you've got a syrup. That's it. It's so simple, but it makes the best syrup. Anytime you do fruit or anything like that, it is so good because you have this fruity syrup. And I mean, I love maple syrup, is great on pancakes and stuff, but this fruit syrup, oh, it's so good. So, so good. And the longer you cook it, like I just usually bring it to a boil, and then once the sugar's dissolved, it's done. If you boil it a little longer, it'll get thicker. The longer you boil it, the thicker it gets. So But you can use that syrup. Once you have the syrup, you can use it in drinks. You can use it like over pancakes. You could use it in recipes over ice cream, or like add it to cake batter, things like that. It's really fun, and it has this really fresh, fruity flavor to it. So definitely, and it's made from the stuff you were gonna throw away. So all those skins and stuff you would have thrown away is what it's made from. So it's a great way. Some people do honeys. A friend of mine does honey, which is basically the same concept, except for you add way more sugar. You add like 4 times as much sugar, and you cook it in the crock pot again on low for like another day. I have had horrible luck with the honey. Every time I try to do honey, it doesn't turn out. So I just stick with syrup, and I'm happy with that. Plus it's less sugar than the honey, so. Okay, well, I'm gonna get my last couple things done so I can get on the road for my girls' trip. Woot woot. Okay, I'm home now. It was a long day of shopping and traveling and all sorts of fun stuff, but long, exhausting. Shopping can be exhausting, you know. Don't ever let anybody tell you otherwise. But it was a fun girls' day. So my friend and I went to a couple of furniture stores, and because I love furniture and so does she, so that worked out great. We went to Down East. We looked at clothes and furniture there, and we went to Redstone, the flavored vinegars. Oh my gosh, so good. One of our favorites. What's up, Betty? Oh, and I got a new brush. So the girls maybe will stop stealing mine, right? Do you have the scissors?
No.
Bring me the scissors and I'll open it. I just need to cut the plastic. And what else did we, and so she tried some flavored vinegars. I got a big old bottle of peach vinegar. So good. We love their flavored vinegars. We went to Ross. Can you do it, or do you need, oh, you're just cutting the paper? Okay. We went to Ross, and it seems like we went to a couple other stores. We went to Kohl's, you know, got a few school clothes things for the big boys, and just some random stuff. I got new pillows. Oh, that's what I need. Look at that fluffy pillow. Holy cow. It's amazing what a new pillow does.
Yeah.
Got some new pillows, got some fun stuff. So now we're home. Ooh, and Brady, come over here and do a fashion show. Brady got some new banana shorts. Woot woot. Yep, he's not shy. All right, touch a base on my day. I got my consult done, my girls' day done, yay! Got some shopping and fun stuff in. And video editing, I've got part of that. I'm gonna work on it here a little bit before I go to bed. But it shouldn't take me too long. I had about half of it done. So tomorrow's gonna be a big day though. It's Saturday. We're gonna do lots of peaches and homemade spaghetti sauce. And we have tons of zucchini and squash from our garden. So it's gonna be a harvest day of stuff.